How to create AI images using Grok on Android. This tutorial shows you how to generate images from scratch using a text prompt. First, open the Grok app on your Android device. From there, tap the text field at the bottom and type in a description of the image you want to create. For example, you could try something like a futuristic city floating above the clouds at golden hour to give Grok something detailed to work with. After that, tap Send and give it a few seconds to generate the image. At this point, the AI-generated image will appear in the chat. Tap on it to get a full view. Following this, if you want to save it, tap and hold the image and select Save to download it to your gallery. From here, if the result isn't quite what you had in mind, just type a new prompt or describe what you want changed, and Grok will generate a fresh image for you. Finally, the more specific your prompt is, the better the output. Try adding details like lighting, art style, color tone, or mood to get closer to what you're imagining. That's how you create AI images using Grok on Android. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell so you never miss one. Catch you in the next one.